In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a game pass in Roblox. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, a game pass can be very useful, especially if you're playing a game like Please Donate. That way people can donate Robux to you, and you can do the same for other people as well if you wanted to. Now, what you want to do is not actually anything inside of Roblox itself. So all you want to do is go to your browser. This works the exact same on mobile or PC. So I'm just going to be using Google Chrome for this. Once you're here, all you're going to want to do is go to create.roblox.com. So then it's going to open up something like this, and you just want to log into your Roblox account on the top right. So then once you're logged in, it's going to look something like this, and all you want to do is press the three little lines on the top right, and then go over to dashboard, which is the second option. Now, if you haven't got an experience made, you want to go ahead and make one. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on this experience. It's going to look something like this, and then all I want to do is press these three little lines again. And because I'm going to be in my experience, I'm going to see a lot of different things, and all I want to do is I want to scroll down until I'm in the monetization section, and then the third option is going to be passes. So just go ahead and click on that, and as you can see, I already have a few different game passes already. So if you haven't got one, all you want to do is press the blue button which says create a pass. So just go ahead and click on that. You can change the image if you want to. Then I'm just going to add a name. So I'm just going to type in test game pass like so. Then you can add a description if you want to. So I'm just going to do like and subscribe, since that's what you should do. And then all you got to do is press create pass on the bottom. So I'm just going to press that right now. And then that's it. It says pass created successfully. And it's as simple as that. You can then pretty much just do whatever you want with it. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and be sure to let us know in the comments what more tutorials would you want from this channel in the future.